Hey guys, so today wow, Nina, you're killing my vibe. So I forgot what I was gonna say. Today we are in my kitchen and we're going to be making a kale pizza. It's a vegan kale pizza, but I promise you, you won't miss the cheese at all. It's so good. This is like my go-to, like if I don't know what I want to eat and I just like, I don't know, I just need something quick, easy, simple kale pizza, and it's healthy, so I don't have to worry about that part. But yeah, my sister taught me this recipe. It's really super simple, but I want to share it with you guys because it's honestly one of my favorite things to eat. So today, like I said, we're making vegan kale pizza. So what you'll need to make this is some organic kale. Kale is one of those like vegetables that you need to buy organic. I do all my produce organic, but like kale is one of those like, if you don't do organic, it's very like a dirty vegetable. So do yourself a favor, get organic kale. It's really not that much more than regular kale at the grocery store. Then you're going to need some pasta sauce. You can make yours from scratch as well. It's just easier to use it like this, especially when you're just trying to make it quick and easy. And then you're gonna need some naan bread. So the first thing you're gonna do is chop up your kale and put it in a bowl. And it'll look like this. Then you're gonna take olive oil and you're gonna drizzle it on the kale. And then you wanna massage the kale with your hands. Also, make sure you wash your hands. So there's that. Then you're gonna set your kale aside and we're going to warm up the sauce. So you're gonna take your tomato sauce and you're just gonna warm it up a little bit. I like to add seasoning because like the tomato sauce out the jar like this, to me it just like doesn't have enough seasoning, so I like to just spice it up a little more. So you don't need a lot at all because you're just making one personal naan pizza. If you're gonna make it for more than one person and use more than one naan, then obviously use more sauce. But for one, you just need a little bit, maybe like a quarter of a cup. If I could open this, that would be great. Here's a trick to opening a jar. Ready? Tap the end against a hard surface. Not too hard, just tap it. Then, boop! Then it opens. Oh great, so good. So I'm gonna be adding salt, black pepper, parsley, garlic powder, and basil to the sauce. Once you add all the seasoning, you're just gonna add a little bit of water so the sauce isn't so thick. You're gonna turn on the fire. Stir it up and then put a lid on it. So you're not really cooking the pasta sauce, you're just kind of warming it up, getting all those ingredients in there. So just like maybe 3 to 5 minutes max. And then you're gonna set your oven to 350 while you get ready to put the pizza in the oven. So you're gonna do a little preheat to 350. Then you're gonna just put it on top of the naan. You just wanna spread it evenly onto the pizza or the naan dough. Oh, that's actually a good one. It's like naan dough, because it's not dough, it's naan dough. I like saucy pizza, so, you know, just putting all the sauce in there. Then you're just gonna take your kale and put it on top. So with the kale, because it's gonna wilt down in the oven, so it looks like a crazy amount of kale. It looks like a mound of kale, but I promise you it'll wilt down. So I feel like more is better. And then when you have the kale on top, you just throw it into the oven at 350. People like their pizzas different. I like everything I eat crispy. My toast, what else? Yeah, 350, and you throw your little kale pizza in the oven. And that is pretty much it. The kale will get a little bit crispy on the top, so it'll turn a little brown, but that's okay. It gives it like a nice texture when you're eating it. You can, I use a pizza cutter and I just cut it into different slices. You can eat it with fries, chips, whatever, if you want to add anything on the side. But yeah, it's just a quick, simple kale pizza. It's vegan, it's delicious. Like, it's honestly so good. You have to try it to like really understand, because it's like delicious. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you try it and you like it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Mind your business.